I wish I could be this.
I don't mean to be rude or anything. But this is probably going to be the dumbest place to be standing. Just
Holy shit, look at that, dude.
I want to see a cow fly.
Holy shit. I'm sorry, your fork is going to have to wait.
Debris.
Your fork is going to have to wait, dude. I've never seen a tornado do that. Wait, what?
Alright, the safest place to go is going to be the stairwell.
Probably. Oh shit, that's crazy.
Let's start videoing again.
Oh dude, look at it move!
Yeah.
Where's the fucking
Debris of it.
Oh shit, do you hear it? Oh shit!
That was, that was power lines.
It was power lines.
Oh man. Alright, I'm videoing again. Ooh, look, I got the power line.
Oh shit!
In the
Oh
picture.
shit!
Alright, look, I'm setting up my video again.
Oh dude, look at the right above us! Holy shit!
Oh shit, dude. Oh my god, look at the debris.
Holy shit! It's not safe. Oh, there goes our power.
Or fuck.
Who needs power when you got 20 outside your window?
I don't know if you can see how well that is, but there's debris.
Oh shit!
In our fucking window right now. Let's go get it.
Holy shit, dude! Holy shit! Oh, dude, go!
Get the fuck out!
Get out! Get out! Oh shit! Oh shit!